Hey guys, this is how to fix Jeep app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions. For Apple users, I will show step-by-step guide on the left side. Now, for the first solution, just simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on search at the bottom and go for the top and search for the application, guys. And after that, just simply tap on it. And when there is an update, you should be able to see the update button over here instead of open. And just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now for the next solution, just simply go to the settings into your device, and after that just simply scroll down and go for the apps, and after that just simply go for the application. So just simply find it over here and tap on it and go for the storage and tap on clear cache at the bottom. And from there, you should be able to fix it. But if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and just simply tap on clear data and tap on OK. You should be able to fix your issue. The next solution, just simply hold the application and tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And after that, just simply go to the Google Play Store and just simply reinstall it back again into your device, and you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, just simply comment down below and I will do my best to help you out, guys. See ya.